16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. Years ago, but I still see your face. The freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest dream, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks, thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you. Years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry.